Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Heart Marshmallows is probably one of the most delightful and whimsical additions you can make to your hot chocolate, transforming a simple beverage into a cozy, celebratory treat that's perfect for sharing or savoring on your own during chilly evenings or special occasions. Number 5. Rip Van Chocolate Hazelnut Wafer Cookies. Craving something sweet? Discover a delicious way to satisfy your cravings without the sugar rush. These wafer cookies are the perfect guilt-free treat. Enjoy a satisfying snack that fits your lifestyle. With only 2 g of net carbs and low sugar, they're ideal for your keto or low-carb journey. Made with non-GMO ingredients, these snacks are a healthier choice for you and your family. Feel good about what you're eating. Plant-based perfection. These cookies are completely vegan, offering a rich chocolate hazelnut flavor that everyone can enjoy. Looking for a light yet flavorful snack? Each serving is low in calories, making them a smart choice for mindful eating. Perfectly portioned and ready to go. This 16-count pack ensures you always have a delicious and healthy snack on hand. What we like? Looking for a healthier treat to pair with your hot chocolate? These cookies are a fantastic option. If you are seeking a low-sugar, low-carb, and vegan snack that doesn't compromise on flavor, these are the perfect choice for your cozy beverage moments. What people say. These keto-friendly cookies have a satisfyingly crunchy, waffle-like texture, which is a highlight for those who enjoy a crisp bite. The single-serving packs are convenient, making them an easy addition to kids' lunchboxes or on-the-go snacking. These cookies are a good choice for a low-sugar, high-fiber, heart-healthy snack, especially for those on a keto diet or avoiding sweet treats. Number 4. Sweets Indeed Valentine's Day Heart Sprinkle Mix. Make your Valentine's Day treats extra special with our delightful sprinkle mix. It's the perfect way to add a festive touch to your baking. This mix features a charming blend of pink and white jimmies, elegant sugar pearls, and fun confetti quins. You'll also find adorable heart shapes and classic nonpareils. Elevate your cookies, cupcakes, and cakes with these beautiful decorations. They are ideal for any baking or decorating project you have in mind. You'll receive a generous 4-ounce bag, ensuring you have plenty of sprinkles to go around. It's enough to decorate numerous batches of goodies. Add a pop of color and texture to your desserts. This sprinkle mix is an essential for anyone looking to create memorable Valentine's Day treats. Let your imagination run wild with these versatile sprinkles. They are designed to inspire your inner baker and bring joy to your creations. What we like? Want to add a festive flair to your hot chocolate experience? These sprinkles are ideal for a special occasion. If you love decorating and want to make your hot chocolate visually appealing with a touch of romance, these heart-shaped and pink and white sprinkles are a delightful addition. What people say. Colors are nice, and it's great to find a safe product for a family that has both peanut allergies and gluten-free needs. I love the soft pink color and all the different shapes and sizes. They are a quality texture and the flavor is pleasant. These are great on cakes, cupcakes. I use them on pancakes, ice cream, anything you can eat and want to be pretty. Not too hard. Number 3. Colombina Sweet Christmas Marshmallows. Get ready for a sweet holiday season. Introducing our delightful marshmallows, perfect for all your festive celebrations. Experience the incredibly soft and fluffy texture that melts in your mouth. They are a joy to eat for everyone. These come in fun, assorted shapes to add extra cheer to your festivities. You'll find Christmas trees, candy canes, and Santa designs. Enjoy the classic, comforting taste of vanilla bean in every bite. It's a flavor that brings back sweet holiday memories. This 5.1-ounce pack is ideal for sharing with family and friends, or as a sweet gift. Make your holidays even more special with these treats. Let these festive marshmallows bring a touch of magic to your Christmas. They are a simple yet delightful way to celebrate the season. What we like? Seeking a classic holiday touch for your hot chocolate? These marshmallows are a wonderful choice. If you enjoy traditional holiday themes and a soft, melt-in-your-mouth texture, these festive-shaped marshmallows will bring a touch of Christmas cheer to your warm drink. What people say. These marshmallows are cute and colorful, the flavors are really nice, and they're very soft but hold their shape well. I only needed to use 2 per student because they are quite big. The marshmallows are very soft and tasty. Number 2. Max IS Creations the mug with a hoop basketball mug. Introducing a unique 16-ounce mug designed for interactive fun. It's a playful way for kids to enjoy their favorite snacks and drinks. Looking for a fun and thoughtful gift? This is perfect for sports lovers, coaches, and anyone who enjoys a bit of playful competition. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Crafted from durable stoneware, each mug is uniquely hand-painted. It's designed for everyday use and is both dishwasher and microwave safe. Turn snack time into an exciting game. This adds an extra layer of fun for kids, teens, and the whole family during any occasion. This award-winning design comes from a small family business with a great story. Every purchase supports dyslexic awareness, making it a gift that gives back. What we like? Looking for a unique way to enjoy hot chocolate, especially with kids? This mug offers an interactive experience. If you want to make hot chocolate time more engaging and fun, particularly for young sports enthusiasts, this basketball-themed mug with its mini hoop is a guaranteed hit. What people say. These Heart Marshmallows are adorable and perfect for hot chocolate. They melt nicely into the hot chocolate, adding a touch of sweetness and fun. The size of the marshmallows is just right for a single serving of hot chocolate. Number 1. Mini marshmallows for hot chocolate and baking. Elevate your hot chocolate experience with these delightful mini marshmallows. They are the perfect addition to your hot chocolate bombs, melting beautifully for a creamy finish. Add a touch of winter magic to your treats. These charming snowflake sprinkles are perfect for decorating cakes, cookies, and cupcakes, making every bite a festive delight. Enjoy the convenience of dehydrated marshmallows that stay fresh and retain their fluffy texture. They are ideal for baking and decorating a variety of desserts. From cupcakes and cakes to cookies and ice cream, these versatile marshmallows are your go-to for adding a sweet touch. They are perfect for any baking or decorating project. Available in classic brown and white, these mini marshmallows are perfect for Valentine's Day hot cocoa or any occasion. They add a delightful sweetness and visual appeal to all your favorite desserts. Get plenty of these delicious mini marshmallows in a convenient 7-ounce package. They are ready to be used for all your sweet creations, ensuring you always have enough on hand. What we like? Want the perfect tiny topping for your hot chocolate? These mini marshmallows are designed for just that. If you're looking for small, melt-in-your-mouth additions that won't overpower your drink and add a cute snowflake visual, these are an excellent choice for your cocoa. What people say. These marshmallows are shaped like little hearts, making them a cute addition to hot chocolate. They melt nicely into hot beverages, adding a creamy texture and sweet flavor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.